Okay, this is Corella. They're getting a bit. This is the adult ones. You can't tell the difference really between babies and adults because they're both white as. Yeah, these are like little miniature cockatoos, just without the yellow bit on the top. But yeah, I like these ones. They're always pretty friendly. You know, the western part of the country, these get in flocks of 80 to 100,000. And they just cover like fields like white moving snow or something. We don't see snow much around here. Never. What snow? But, yeah, I don't know where their babies are. Their babies are so funny. They're so cute. They sit there playing with little things. They pick up little things. And they like hold them in each other's mouths and have tug of wars. But yeah, that's the mummy on the feeder at the bottom there. Come on.
Hello, what's your name? Oh, I'm only little. Oh, what you do? What you do? Oh, hello, hello, hello. 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 Ah. Oh, very good.
They like my animal voice. But I deal with Corellas a fair bit, so I've mastered their little calls. Same with kookaburras, I do them real well. I can get them to come and feed me doing the baby calls. But yeah, that's it for the parrot episode.